We've got a FL-L43. This is the kit straight out of the Amazon door popper box. This video is going to cover how to bind the controllers to the box. The instructions are actually pretty straightforward, but I struggled with it pretty bad, so I'm just going to make a quick video of what these instructions mean and how to achieve what you're wanting to do for the door poppers. I'm going to let your imagination run wild with the rest of these instructions, but all I want to do right now is to show you how to bind these to the box. Both of them. So, there's a little programming button right here. You have to hold it. It'll beep a series of times, pause, and then beep once for the first controller you want. Once you're done with that, hold it again and it'll beep a second time. I think this can do up to 5 controllers. I'll show you what I mean. That's controller number 1. Let's do number 2. If you don't do anything for 5 seconds, it'll save and let you know. There we go, it's saved. For the purpose of this video, I'm only using plug number 4. I'm not using plug number 3. So we're only using outputs 3 and 4, which means buttons 3 and 4. So if you notice when I program these, I went from the bottom top. When you program it, it'll beep once. You press whatever button you want to be button number 1. Then it'll beep twice. You press whatever button you want to be button number 2, so on and so forth. So what I've done, the blue and the green wires coming out of plug number 4 are outputs 3 and 4. So these 2 top ones, and remember these only control the grounds, so the positives I got running over to the car battery over here. The ground wires are hooked up to the green and the brown, green and the blue. So these would control your relays for whatever you're wanting to do. If I want them backwards, I would just hit the buttons backwards or whatever I want to do. So I'll let your imagination take you to wherever this is going to lead you. But that is how you bind these. If you want to add more, once you're done with your first controller, you just hit the button again and it'll beep whatever amount of times to tell you which controller to program. You can have 4. I think it's up to 5 that this can do. But as far as all the other functions, now I have this set to, these are your functions: time, pulse, latch, unlatch, and on demand. I have these all the way this way for on demand. What I mean by that is these right here. So 3 and 4, if I put on latch and unlatch, which is in the center, nope. Now when I hit it, on, off, off. That is latching. The time delay only works on outputs 1 and 2. It says right here. So I don't have those plugged in, so I can't use the time delay. But the time delay, if you want to use this one here and plug it in, you turn this pot, which is right here, clockwise or counterclockwise. It will do 1/10 of a second up to 30 seconds. This could be like rolling up windows, shutting or opening your sunroof. I don't know, whatever. That's what I was saying. I'm going to leave that up to your imagination. All I wanted to show you how to do was how to bind these to this and how to set it up. So, have fun.